So, what is probation? So, probation is created under the PD 968, the Presidential Decree 968, the Adult Probation Law. So, sa ating correction administration natin, meron tayong dalawang klase. Meron tayong institutionalized correction and meron tayong non-institutionalized correction. Yung institutionalized correction natin is ito yung paggamit natin ng national penitentiary natin under the Bureau of Correction, yung 7 penal colonies, no? And ito naman yung non-institutionalized correction natin is ito yung community-based program. Ito nga paggamit natin ng probation, parole, and other forms of executive clemency, na. So probation is a privilege granted by the court to the criminal offender to remain in the community and instead of going to jail or prison. So yung probation is a privilege na binibigay ng court sa isang qualified offender. Hindi po ito right ng accused, kasi magiging right lang ito pag na-grant na, or once granted na siya, magiging right. Kaya magiging right kasi hindi ito basta-basta na bawiin sa'yo ng court or i-revoke sa'yo without the due process of law. And again, the probation is also a alternative to imprisonment. Alternative siya kasi nga hindi ka magsaserve ng penalty inside the prison or the jail. Instead na you will be released to the community under the supervision of probation officer and with the certain conditions, no? So also probation is a judicial functions. Judicial function siya kasi yung nagagrant yung RTC, yung trial court judge. Then RTC, yung court natin is under the judicial branch of the government. So judicial function siya, no? So who can apply probation? So under the probation law, any person who is first time offender and 18 years old above at the commission of the crime, and the penalty to serve or imprisonment is 6 years below. Ito yung mga pwedeng mag-apply ng probation, no? So saan or ano yung disqualification naman? Disqualification to grant probation. So una, yung disqualification is yung penalty to serve ng convicted offender is with the maximum imprisonment of 6 years above. So ito yung automatically ma-disqualified ka. And number 2 is if the crime committed is the crime against national security. Example yung treason, espionage. So hindi ka din maaaring makag-apply ng probation ito, no? So another is to those who have been previously convicted of imprisonment of more than 6 months and 1 day and or a fine of more than 1,000, and have been placed once in probation, no? Yung mga nag-undergo na ng probation, hindi na po ito maaaring ma-apply ulit sa kanila kasi once in a lifetime lang to sa mga convicted offender, no? And to those who already been serving their sentence when this provision is or when this decree is approved. So yung mga nagsaserve ng sentence bago ma-approve pa itong batas ay hindi ito ma-apply sa kanila kasi merong itong provision na nagsasabi na bawal ito ma-apply sa kanila. Di ba, meron tayong tinatawag na retroactive effect sa ating criminal law. So hindi ito ma-apply sa kanila kasi merong probation. So, disqualified naman under the special laws. So, what are those disqualification under special law? So, meron tayong sa Republic Act 9165, yung Dangerous Drug Act of 2004. Pag yun din yung na-commit mo na crime about sa drugs, disqualified ka rin in probation. So, although merong mga specific na provision or sections doon na pag yun lang yung na-commit mo is pwede kang mag-apply ng probation, no? And offense committed in any election, violation in any election offense, di ba? Yung Omnibus Election Code, pag nakag-violate ka dyan, hindi ka rin maaaring makag-apply for probation or hindi disqualified ka for the benefits of probation. And also to those found guilty in the Republic Act of 6727, the Wage Rationalization Act. So yun, hindi ka rin pwedeng makag-apply ng probation. And sino naman yung saan at kailan ka pwedeng mag-apply ng probation? So saan, dun ka mag-a-apply sa sentencing court. Kung saan nililitis yung kaso mo, dun ka mag-apply. At kailan? Anytime after the sentence was given and unconvicted ka na sa offense na ginawa mo, at but within 15 days after the promulgation of sentence. So yun. So sino naman nag-grant? Sino naman yung nag-grant ng probation? So yung nag-grant ng probation is yung trial court judge. Sa yung nag-grant sa iyo ng probation kasi doon ka naman kasi nag-apply din, no? So how long? Bago pala ma-approve yung probation, bago i-grant sa iyo, magkakandak muna ng post-sentence investigation report yung probation officer, and also the judge will determine the nature of your character, your family, yung background mo, kasi tinitingnan din dito yung kung magiging law abiding ka ba, no? At yung judge is, yung priority din nila dito is the welfare of the community, no? Baka kasi kag-violate ka lang ng another crime, di ba? And so how long the period of probation? So gaano naman katagal ang probation once na it is granted na, nasa community ka na, nagsaserve ka na ng probation, gaano naman ito katagal? So not more than 2 years if the penalty is 1 year or less. So, and then not more than 6 years if the penalty is 1 year pataas. So yun yung mga period of probation na i-serve mo, diba? And what if naman granted na yung probation mo, nasa community ka na, nag-serve ka na, is meron nakag-violate ka ng condition ng probation mo, and or nakagawa ka ng another crime. So ikaw ngayon ay arestuhin, the court will issue a warrant of arrest, and you will be sent back to prison and to serve your original sentence. I-serve mo ngayon yung original sentence mo. And then kung criminal offense naman yung na-violate mo, you will be prosecuted with the another crime and will be charged, di ba? And pag na-grant na din yung probation, meron itong mandatory condition na yung isa is to report to the probation officer within 72 hours from the receipt of the said order. So kailangan mo mag-report to the probation officer after mo ma-receive yung order ng petition mo for probation, yung application for probation mo na-receive na. at ikaw ay qualified, dapat mag-report ka sa probation officer mo within 72 hours. And then, pag na-approve na, nag-report ka na within 72 hours, ikaw naman ay mandatory to report at least once a month to the probation designated probation officer during the period of your probation. So yun. So that's all about probation, diba? And naman is advice ko dito sa correction natin sa criminology, sa magtitik na ng board exam is wag nyo itong parang baliwalain ba itong subject natin na correction, kasi yung iba kasi sinasabi 10% lang ito sa exam natin, pero marami pa rin bumabagsak dito kasi last day na ito na ginagawa. So yung iba pagod na, puyat, gusto nang umuwi, no? Yung iba nga hindi na tinatapos yung exam. So marami pa rin bumabagsak dito kasi kahit 10% lang ito sa exam natin. And then aralin nyo dun sa kasi yung time namin, yung exam namin is maraming lumabas or questions na galing sa dun sa BGMP manual, sa correction manual, sa Bucor. So yun, sa BGMP manual, dun nyo mababasa yung powers ng BGMP, yung mission, vision, yung guidelines ng BGMP. So yun, marami dun tinatanong. So that's all. Salamat sa